Hello and welcome to another video with Just and Me. Today I want to show you guys step by step how I prepare and apply this natural organic hair mask. And this hair mask is very rich in vitamins, proteins, amino acids, fatty acids, and antioxidants, which help to moisturize your hair, strengthen your hair, prevent hair loss, stimulate hair growth, and also taking care of your scalp issues. So you don't want to miss out on this. And the fun about it is that you can actually prepare this hair mask from the ingredients from your kitchen. So if you want to see how I prepare and apply this hair mask, make sure you watch this video to the end. So once more guys, welcome to my kitchen. To my kitchen sink, the place where the magic is gonna be happening. So before we jump right into the video, if you're new to this channel and you like what we do here, make sure to join the family. And you can do this by clicking on the subscribe button and also press on the notification bell so that you will always be notified whenever I put up another video or whenever I put up any new video. Now over to the ingredients. Our very first ingredient for this hair mask is avocado, and avocados are known for their moisturizing properties, and they also help to protect your hair and help in any scalp issues. They are rich in proteins, amino acids, and fatty acids, and you can find them easily around from your grocery shops. Our second ingredient here is banana, and bananas are great for your hair and scalp. We also have olive oil, which helps to moisturize, strengthen your hair, prevent hair loss, stimulate hair growth while taking care of your hair. Apart from helping the hair and scalp, amla oil helps to reduce premature pigment loss from hair, stimulates hair growth, reduce hair loss, and also helps with dandruff. And we can emphasize the use of tea tree oil in its function, as it helps to soothe your scalp. I will also be using some rosemary essential oil, and these are the different oils that I will be using. Also, I will be going in with some aloe vera drink. If you have the aloe vera leaf itself, it would be most preferable. It's just because I can't find it easily around where I live. So these are the different ingredients that I will be using in order to prepare my DIY organic hair mask. So let's get right into the preparation process. Even though I was using a measuring cup here, I wasn't taking track exactly of how much I was putting. And the olive oil with this aloe vera drink are the only liquids that I use that would help me in blending the avocado and the banana. You can use even your normal food processor blender. Now this step is very important and you don't want to skip it. This is just a mesh bag and this one is actually double layered, and I will be sieving my product through this mesh back, because it will just help to trap any fiber, any products, or anything that could stick into your hair and will just make it a whole way so difficult for you. So guys, I am going in with this plastic spatula, which is very flexible, and it will help me to get out most of the products. After sieving my product, I will go ahead to add the remaining oils, and here I will be adding the amla oil, tea tree oil, and some of the rosemary oil. And I really don't have any specific measurements for this. I just add them in as I desire. And then I am going in with some of the scalp treatment tea tree oil and a few drops of the rosemary oil. You don't want to put a lot of the essential oil. And now I will just go ahead and stir up everything, make sure that everything is mixed homogeneously. And when everything had been mixed up to a uniform consistency, I then went in with this Aussie 3-minute Miracle Reconstructor deep treatment, and this treatment served as the base for my DIY. And just look at how smooth and nice it is. This is a very rich hair mask, and my hair felt so good after using this hair mask. So after finishing with the mixing, I now serve my product for the application, and we will do that in the shower. But before we go, just a quick glance to how the entire mixture is looking right now. And you want to prepare just the amount that you can use, because it doesn't have any preservatives, so you can keep it for long. Prior to applying this hair mask, I went ahead and put my hair in some chunky twists, and coated my hair with some olive oil, whether being it in a deep treatment mask or whatever way. I make sure I always incorporate some olive oil in my hair care routine, and it has helped me quite a lot. So I will just maintain these sections that I initially put in my hair in the twist, because they will just help me as I go on with the application process. And all I'll be doing is just taking down the twist, like as you can see, and go ahead with applying the products. I'm just raking my hands through to take out any of the shed hair. And in the application process, I am starting off from the ends of my hair. They are the oldest and they need the most TLC, so I apply it and work my way up to the root of my hair. And as I apply the product, I am making sure that I finger detangle, and it even helps a lot with this mask because it had so much great slip that made detangling just way so easy. And you will be seeing how I'm going to massage my scalp, because this hair mask has great ingredients that are so good and going to help the scalp as well. So I am packing it, just making sure that I saturate my hair very well with it. Then raking my fingers, doing all of that detangling, and also stimulating blood flow to my scalp as well in this process. This is actually the first time I am doing a DIY, like this kind of intense DIY hair treatment or hair mask to my hair, but there is always a first time for everything, and I will try to incorporate it often in my hair regimen. And the rest of the process is just repetitive. You would see that I apply it just like I did the first twist, starting from the ends and then work my head and work my way to the root, and then get onto my scalp and massage the products in raking my fingers through, taking out any shed hair, and then putting back my hair in those initial twists. And that is how I apply this hair mask to my entire hair. And once I was done, I went ahead and applied some heat to my hair, which will just help to activate the hair mask for it to penetrate my hair cuticles even more. And just in case you don't know, I apply this hair mask to my hair before washing my hair, so it also served as a pre-poo treatment. So I'm getting kind of a two-in-one treatment at the same time, and that is even why I am going in with some heat, so that it will help to activate the product even more. And yeah, you got to have some snacks in the corner when you want to do your hair. So I had this cap on for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I hopped into the shower and washed my hair as usual. But I didn't film that process because I think I have shown it a couple of times here on this channel. But that is how I prepared and applied my DIY hair mask. So is it something you would like to consider? Is it something you would want to try on your hair? Make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. Like this video, share it, and until my next one, bye bye.